How to make your Capcut video faster. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can make your Capcut video faster. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that your Capcut application is up to date. Now let's open the Capcut application. Once you open your Capcut application, under the project section, here you can see all the video I have initially edited. You can now choose any one of the video. For example, I will select this video. Once you open the video, now you can see the video is around 1 minute 5 seconds. So in order to make it faster, what you can do is click on the video. Once you click on the video, now at the bottom of the toolbar you can see different options. Click on the second option, speed. Again, here you will see two different options. You can select any one of the options as your wish. If you want to make the video faster in the normal way, then you can tap on normal option, and if you want to make the video faster in the curve way, you can tap on curve. So basically we will choose the normal option. Now finally, from here, now you can select the video whether you want to make it 2 times faster or 5 times or 10 times or 100 times. Let's say I want to make my video 5 times faster. Now just click on it, and here you can see my 1 minute video has turned into 14-second video. Once you are okay with the video, click on that tick mark option. So that's all on how you can make your Capcut video faster. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.